Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can reopen a document in the Affinity Designer, for example like a design or canvas, after you close the app or after the app crashed, so that Affinity Designer may pick up where you left off last time before you closed the app or before it crashed. So let us get started. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to the Edit tab in the top left and then select Settings, or use that shortcut here to the right, and then navigate to the General Settings tab to the left. Here under Document, make sure that you enable Reopen Document on Startup. Here to the right, switch it on, and you can do this, guys, and that is going to allow you to reopen it when you start the application next time after it crashed or after you closed it accidentally, for example, or on purpose. And that's how it works. Then you will get redirected to the reopened document where you were last time. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.